If you forgot both your Gmail address and your password, don't worry, there is still a way to recover your Google account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your Gmail account first, and then how to reset the password so you can sign back in. This is a super useful method if you lost access to your email, changed phones, or just cannot remember the details anymore. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/username recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page for finding a forgotten Gmail address. Once the page loads, you'll need to enter either your recovery phone number or your recovery email address. Use the exact phone number or email that was previously linked to your Google account. Next, enter your first name and last name exactly as they were used on the account. If you used your real name when creating the Gmail account, enter that here. After that, click next to continue. Google will then send a verification code to your recovery phone number or recovery email. Check your messages or inbox, enter the code into the recovery page, and complete the verification step. Once the code is accepted, Google will show you the Gmail accounts connected to that recovery information. From here, select the Gmail account you want to recover. Now that you have found your Gmail address, the next step is resetting the password. Open a new tab and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. On this page, enter the recovered Gmail address, then click Next. If you do not remember the password, click Try another way. Google will then show you different recovery methods depending on what is available for your account. You may be able to receive a verification code on your phone, get a code through your recovery email, or confirm the login using a Google prompt on a device where you are already signed in. Choose the recovery option that works best for you. If you get a verification code, enter it carefully when prompted. Make sure you type it exactly as shown, because even one wrong digit can stop the process. After verification, Google will let you create a new password for your account. Type in a strong new password, then confirm it by entering it again. Once you're done, click Save to finish the reset process. At this point, your Gmail account should be recovered successfully. You can now sign in using your recovered Gmail address and your brand new password. If everything worked, take a moment to update your recovery phone number and recovery email inside your Google account so it is easier to recover in the future. Also, make sure your new password is strong and unique. Try to avoid using old passwords or something easy to guess. A good password should be secure, memorable, and different from passwords you use on other accounts. And that's it. You've now learned how to recover your Google account when you forgot both the email and the password. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.